video, you are going to see how to find add nearby friends on Snapchat. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Snapchat application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account from which you want to add your nearby friends. So then head over to the map option beside the chat box. Here you can see I am currently located in here, and there are few areas in which I can see there are Snapchat accounts like this one. If I go there, there are several people that have tagged this place. So you can find people in here who have tagged this place in their account. So this is how you can find nearby people on your Snapchat. And yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.